Hi, my name is Larry Garvey, and I've been with Dr. Mañé. How long has it been since I started these treatments?
A year ago June.
It was a year ago June, and it's just absolutely remarkable. I came in here in a wheelchair, and Dr. Mañé spoke with me for close to an hour, and we went over the problems that I have and what could be done, what he felt would help me. And I thought, this sounds wonderful. I've never heard anything that came close to it. So we got together and started treatments. And I was in a wheelchair. I had neuropathy, and I also had a problem with tarsal tunnel syndrome, they call it. It's where the scar tissue builds up on a fracture, an old fracture military, and it blocked the blood vessels and also damaged the nerves in my feet, in both feet. And he started treatments with the laser, and I couldn't walk at all. My wife did all the driving. I couldn't drive. I would go from the recliner to the wheelchair, from the wheelchair to bed, and so forth. And I came in here in a wheelchair, and within less than 3 weeks of treatments, I came in on crutches, and then about 2 weeks later, I came walking in because of the tremendous healing that I got in my ankles and my feet, and it has just progressively gotten better since then. I was on 4 different pain medications, 3 actual pain medications I took all day, and another one to knock me out at night to sleep, because I didn't sleep unless I passed out. And now I sleep all night. I take almost no pain medication. I've been on tramadol here recently. Take 3 50-milligram tablets a day, and in fact I came here this morning, and for the first time I came without any pain medication, never thought about it, never even brought any with me. So it's been a tremendous healing progress. To begin with, when I went to the VA, they put me on this pain medication. They put me on gabapentin, and was, 100 milligram? Yes, 100 milligrams 3 times a day. And that got to where it didn't work, and they put me on 200, then went to 300 3 times a day, and that didn't help. After a while, I had to go to a stronger pain medication. They added tramadol on top of the gabapentin 3 times a day. Got to where that wouldn't do the job anymore, and they put me on hydrocodone 3 times a day. And I still couldn't sleep, and they put me on, what was the other?
The neurologist put you on the amitriptyline.
Yeah, a neurologist. I went to a neurologist on my own, and he put me on amitriptyline, which I got my first 8 hours sleep in a night in about a year. And before that, I mean, I slept when I passed out, regardless of all the pain medication I was on. But now I'm down to almost no pain medication, and I can't say enough good about Dr. Mañé, and the ladies that do the treatment are absolutely wonderful. They've treated me with kindness, and respect, which you just don't get out of most doctors, and nor their assistants. And they've just been absolutely fantastic. I've seen them help so many people. I've spoken many times to different groups of people, give them a testimony, but believe me, it's from the heart that I tell you that Dr. Mañé is the absolute best. If you're in pain, you need to try it. Everyone that I know of that has tried this has had tremendous healing and less pain, down to no pain at all. In fact, I'm so close to that right now that I can now go shopping. I can walk around in the store. Actually, within the last week or so, I've gotten to where I can walk much farther than what I did. I couldn't walk at all before, and I just thank God that I heard of Dr. Mañé and got to speak with him and found these treatments. And I just hope that you can get results as I did. Thank you.